Yeah, yeah, I miss you, but I got no time for that. How could you wish you never play me? Had no time for that.
Okay, welcome back to Everything Cash. Cash here. Thank you for joining me. Today, this is a quick video. I just wanted to do a little intro before we get to the cutting. So I bought these two jackets last month. Basically why I bought them, because they're jean jackets, but I wanted to crop them because I love a cropped jean jacket with a bodycon for summer. So I'm going to quickly talk about them, then we'll go straight into cutting, because after that there is no talking. So the first one is this one, a little up close. Let me open it. This one, okay, I'll tell you a small backstory. This one was $40. This one came out, I would say, January of this year. It's been in my cart waiting for it to go on sale. They've had so many different sales, whether full price items or on sale stuff. Full price, they only have like 15%, and because I live in Canada, our tax is 15% off a $40 jacket is just free tax. So I knew I needed a good discount. They just recently had a summer sale, and that, well, last month, not recently, I think 4th of July sale, and that was marked down, I believe, to like, I don't know, $20 or something. No, I believe, yeah, I didn't get a discount like code on that. That was just marked down, and I believe it was $14 or $15.99. So because it was 40 bucks, I had to grab it, and I believe extra small was the only thing left. But if you do like this jacket, it's still in stores at my local store and probably every store. So because I already knew I was going to get that one, I was kind of content. But then sometime last month when I was buying some other sale stuff, as I usually buy from Forever 21, I came across this jacket. And this jacket also comes in, like, mine is mustard and navy stripe. It also comes navy and red stripe. This one was full price $30, but right now on the website, the picture I'll show, it's $20, but I got it when it was a 50 off code, which they get often. So I paid 10 bucks for this, and that was a good price because I knew I'm going to cut it up. So yeah, this one, why I like it though, it has a little stretch to it, and I didn't realize it was already thin, but I knew online with people's reviews, people said it was thin, and I guess maybe because they paid $30, they were angry. But for 10 bucks, it was a good buy. So probably this whole bottom piece I'm going to cut off, if not half. Otherwise, it's not a bad size. So yeah, right now you should be seeing the try on, because I'm going to try them on for you guys, and I'm cutting them. So that's jacket one. And piece de resistance. There's one more jacket I want, like a leopard print jean jacket. After I get that, I'll be cool for a while on jean jackets. Now this one, people said was made big. So extra small should be fine on me, but I don't mind them oversized. And yeah, you guys can't see, but it pretty much hits, let me see, it almost hits my natural waist. So this is like a full jacket. It's not stretchy like the other one. I really love this. But for summer, like, no one needs all this denim. So definitely, I'm probably going to cut more off this one. I'm going to probably cut this one. I don't know if you guys can see. There's two buttons, not this one. I'm going to cut it up to this button. So pretty much all of this I'm going to cut off, this whole panel, and then that should be fine. Like that size, let me see. And then it stops here. Yeah, that's better. See, the look is better. So yeah, like I said, I'm going to try these on quickly so you guys see how they are naturally, in case you want them and you don't want to cut them. You're not crazy like me, but I like to cut. And yeah, then we're going to start cutting. Okay, so basically I'm just showing you guys, I use a regular pair of everyday scissors that everyone has around the house. At first what I did, I was just cutting along the seam, but I quickly get frustrated and just freehanded. You're gonna see soon why I did that, because it was cutting straight in the front, but the back, it was actually cutting, see there, on an angle. So I just freehanded after that, and I made corrections at the end. Okay, at this point I'm showing you guys that I finished the jacket, but because I was lightly freehanding, you see jagged edges. So you have to have like a steady hand, which I do when it comes to cutting. I'm good with scissors, as you see. I'm just straightening out. You don't really want to actually cut. You just want to lightly, like any little like bump you see, I just cut right there. I cut nowhere else. I just look for like along the line a bump. But this one was pretty successful. I pretty much got it perfect. I had to do minor repairs. See, that's why I chucked it. And on to jacket number 2. Okay, for jacket number 2, it was slightly a different process as because I'm not going against the hemline like I did in the first one. I'm really freehanding because it's gonna be, I wanted it like half an inch below the second buttonhole, so it wasn't even like I was cutting right under the second buttonhole. I wanted a small gap. So as you see, I had the perfect size, but right there I'm dipping down, I'm screwing up. But that's why I stopped. So here I'm basically finished. It's the last cut. So I'm gonna show you the leftover piece of denim, and based on how crooked that denim is, that's how I know. You see the wobblies? That's how I'm like, yeah, there is altering. So that's how I'm just showing you guys here. I'm gonna show you guys, see? I made one little, that divot, a mistake, but otherwise I can just straighten up the rest and we're Gucci. So that's what I'm doing. And then coming up is before and after, because I really like them once I customize them.